Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing fine. Welcome to the fourth part of Algebra. Let's start. So we have solved these kind of questions already, but here they have asked to find out this expression. From here we can know the value of ABC. A is 3 by 2, B is minus 4 by 3 and C is minus 1 by 6. Now they are asking to find this expression value. This can be expressed as A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA by denominator A square plus B square plus C square. That's right. Now let's check A plus B plus C value. 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 6. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 6? That's right, 6. So 3 into 3 minus 4 into 2 minus 1. So this becomes 9. 9 minus 8 minus 1 by 6. 9 minus 9 by 6 becomes 0. Usually we have to check initial checks like this, A plus B plus C. Otherwise, if you try to express this equation into something which is simplified, it will waste a lot of time. So whenever they give any question like this, first check these basic values and then see if the sum is 0 or not. Alright, next question. X cube plus 3y square x by y cube plus 3x square y equal to 35 by 19. From here we can see if we add numerator and denominator, we get x plus y whole cube, and similarly if we subtract denominator from numerator, we get x minus y whole cube. So let's do something similar to componendo dividendo. X square plus 3y square x plus y cube plus 3x square y by x cube plus 3y square x minus y cube minus 3x square y. So this is equal to 35 minus 19 by 35 plus 19 by 35 minus 19. So this becomes 54. This becomes 16. Further this becomes 27 by 8. So from here this is x plus y whole cube. If we replace y with minus y, we get this expression, right? So that is x minus y whole cube. That is equal to 27 by 8. That implies x plus y by x minus y is equal to 3 cube is 27, right? And 2 cube is 8. Again we do the same componendo dividendo. Then from here we get x plus y plus x minus y by x plus y minus x plus y. This becomes 2x by that's right, 2y, which is equal to x by y, and this becomes this part that plus this part, that is 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 2. So it becomes 5 by 1. This is the answer. Next question. X is cube root 28 and y is cube root 27, and then they are asking the value of this expression x plus y minus 1 by x square plus xy plus y square. This we know, if you multiply this x minus y, we get x cube minus y cube, right? So let's do that first. X plus y minus 1 by x square plus xy plus y square into x minus y by x minus y. Why we are multiplying with x minus y? Because denominator we get x cube minus y cube. So this expression becomes x plus y minus x minus y by x cube minus y cube. What is x cube value? X cube is 28, y cube is 27. Here we don't have to simplify cube root of 27 into 3 cube or something, because we cannot simplify this, so there is no point in simplifying y. So that's exactly why we are trying to find x cube minus y cube and substitute there. Then this becomes x plus y minus of, so x cube minus y cube, 27 minus 28. Lucky, right? 28 minus 27, that is 1. And this becomes x plus y minus x plus y. This is equal to 2y. This is the time where you substitute the y value. From here you know y equal to 3. Then 2y is 6. Next question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to root 3, then the value of x power 18 plus x power 12 plus x power 6 plus 1. Let's see if we can factorize this first before finding anything. Yeah, we can take x power 12 common, right? And this becomes x power 6 plus 1 plus x power 6 plus 1. Now this becomes x power 6 plus 1 into x power 12 plus 1. We are taking x power 6 plus 1 common. Now we need to find this value and this value. Okay, now from the given expression x plus 1 by x equal to root 3, I guess we need to find a cube value and square value. First let's cube it on both sides. X plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into 3ab into c, a plus b, that is root 3 equal to 3 root 3 cubed root. So this gets cancelled. From here what do we get? X cube equal to minus 1 by x cube. That implies x power 6 as minus 1. Wow. This part is 0. So we don't have to find x square value. I just figured that 3 root 3 gets cancelled. So that's a nice approach. So the answer is 0. Next question. If a equal to 299, b equal to 298, c equal to 297, then the value of 2a cube plus 2b cube plus 2c cube minus 6abc. If you take 2 common, then what it becomes? It's familiar, right? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. But unfortunately abc is not, sum of a plus b plus c is not 0. So you cannot simply solve this. So it has its own formula, right? That is 2 into a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Again this can be expressed as 2 into a plus b plus c half into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So 2 gets cancelled. Then from here we can find a plus b plus c. 300 is 900, right? Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, that is the sum of that. Then a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is 1 square plus b minus c whole square is 1 square plus c minus a whole square is minus 2 square. We can write 2 square because it's a positive value anyway, right? So from here what do we get? 3, 6. If you subtract 6 from 900, it is 894 into 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, 4, 5, 6, 6. So we just need to multiply with this. 6 4s are 24, 6 9s are 54 plus 2, 5, 6 8s are 48 plus 5, 53, 5364. Next question. If xy into x plus y is m, then value of x cube plus y cube plus 3m. Okay, it looks simple. We just find the value of m, which they have already given. Let's substitute and see. Plus 3 into xy into x plus y, right? This is the formula for x plus y whole cube. 3xy into, but there are no options. Okay, so from here again we substitute x plus y value. From there x plus y becomes m by xy, right? So we just substitute here. Then it becomes m cube by x cube y cube. Next question. If x square plus 1 by x square is 98, then the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, you need to find the value of x plus 1 by x first. After that we can cube it. So from here we need to find x plus 1 by x. So by adding 2 we can get x plus 1 whole square, right? X plus 1 by x whole square, 100. So x plus 1 by x becomes 10. Now let's cube it. Then what it becomes? X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x equal to 10 cube, 1000. So this part is 10, this gets cancelled. So 1000 minus, so x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 30, am I right? Yes, 30 equal to 1000. Then that implies x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 1000 minus 30 is 970.